Okay, let's continue. Question 13 asks which statement applies only to the lancehead viper. So we are going to look for the statement that applies to the lancehead viper, which is the snake that lives on the mainland of Brazil. So our answer is B. It feeds primarily on rodents, is found on the mainland of Brazil, and is responsible for 90% of all snake bites in Brazil. Okay, so we know that it lives on the mainland, and we know that the ones that live on the mainland feed primarily on rodents, whereas the ones on the island feed primarily on birds, or exclusively on birds. Okay, questions 14 and 15 are a little different than any of the ones you saw last week. Question 14 says, read the fact below and determine one cause of the fact. So our fact is, Snake Island is inhabited by thousands of extremely venomous snakes. So what caused the island to be inhabited, I'm reading that wrong, inhabited by thousands of extremely venomous snakes? And our answer is B. Mother Nature helped these snakes to develop extra strong venom so that they could kill birds. Okay, so that is one of the things that caused the island to be inhabited by thousands of extremely venomous snakes. Question 15 says, read the fact below and determine one effect of the fact. Okay, so our fact is the same. Snake Island is inhabited by thousands of extremely venomous snakes, but we are wanting now to know what is an effect of that. Okay, and our answer is C. Because the island has such extremely dangerous snakes on it, the effect of the island having such extremely dangerous snakes is that the Brazilian Navy monitors the lighthouse and makes sure that no visitors get too close. So those are your answers to your quiz from Monday. I hope that you did really well on your quiz, and I hope that you were able to learn from this review. And I also hope that you enjoyed our unit, our days of studying Snake Island.